Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Memo bi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Article bi edamenim na I want us to react to it. Into the man say I'll fully read the article and as I mention say tenten a me read do baby. Na ya discuss it ya kasa fa ho because onim say eba ne sana yen yepe. Mesremo we have a new YouTube channel. The munia mo pese ye show your name, ye show videos no. Yeah, the because our new YouTube channel no. Link no our description box ni mo. The very first one. Click and subscribe it. Now, this article is titled "Whatever You Want, We Will Make Sure You Get." Whatever you want, we will make sure you get. Now, we are there a free NDC Akamba. Into you say NDC's Akamba threatens Jean Mensa. Ebiana wo nim Akamba. Akamba is Joshua Akamba. Where NDC national organizer. Na MC Matekra say we old soldier, but I stand to be corrected. But we NDC for national organizer. Now let's go into the article. Let's see what he said, and then let's discuss it. Embraso of what the Ghana for air canfa and someone Joshua Akamba akahono. Yeah, the betu ya was say Joshua Akamba, the national organizer of the NDC, has disclosed that it is an objective of the party that Jean Mensa, the chairperson of the Electoral Commission, does not stay on to declare the result of the 2024 elections. Now, what's say Asamoah Walker and say NDC eye wo mobotaye and said the ombeye bia said the Jean Mensa want to naso and declare 2024 elections biano NDC wo mobotaye no. Now let me take it again. Ebia na wan tias here. Ose Joshua Akamba, the national organizer of the National Democratic Congress, has disclosed that it is an objective of the party that Jean Mensa, the chairperson of the Electoral Commission, does not stay on to declare the result of the 2024 elections. Akamba said on NEET FM that the party has a task to ensure that the rigging plans of the ruling MPP, which has Jean Mensa as a key feature, is rendered fruitless. In what could be described as a threat to the EC chair, Akamba said Jean Mensa, in quotes, will get whatever she is looking for. I say Adia Akamba okokan ewo NEET FM eno no. NDC for botaye and say Jean Mensa she will not stay on 2024 there. Say ye be declare it na Jean Mensa will ni ho kra be owo bia no ene de obi enim. Aside that no, wasanso kan say onim say ana wo mo NDC for ehomutrim say MPP ayo mo age say 2024 elections ni so mbe wiem. Now, as far as Jean Mensa ewo ho pa dia, and Jean Mensa wo ho, as far as Jean Mensa is still there, omunim say e ade a MPP ebewia elections na mana abato onim. Nti wase de Jean Mensa wo hwehwe bia no afi ne nsa beka. Eye twi kasa. Obi kasa de wo pe bia wo nsa beka, de wo hwehwe bia wo nsa beka no. Eye twi kasa. Now, Ose Akamba noted that Jean Mensa has exhibited gross incompetence and must not be allowed to officiate another election. Wasi Jean Mensa ye kampa sebe Ghana amanse ni ehun se ejuma no wontumi nye nti enya de a ewo se abato no ye sanso hwe ema Jean Mensa wo betena so esanso ehwe abato no biom. Wasi MPP lost the elections by over 145 seats and turned themselves into armed robbers to change the results. That is why Jean Mensa is not woman enough to come out and tell Ghanaians how Akufo-Addo won the polls. MPP lost in 4 years by used state institutions to rob the elections. NDC must stay focused and put its house in order. This time, we have to be strong at the branch and constituency level to resist the oppressor and make sure that Jean Mensa does not stay to declare the result for the MPP. NDC have a bigger task to make sure that Jean Mensa does not stay there because she is not competent and she is into the bidding for a particular party. Whatever she is looking for, we will make sure that she gets it. Mr. Akamba, in some way, what can Emodro in some Mr. Kamba eke can emu drupan e wo radio station so wase NDC for the omo beye bia Jimensa sebe she will not be available or she mustn't be there. Now, if you are looking at it in two ways. One, ebetumi abane say NPP will use NDC can use legal processes to remove Jean Mensa if that is even possible. Omuni abemu ntino, I doubt whether that will be possible. That's the first one. The second one, obi kan say no aka say dia wo hwehwe bia won sa behu no. Eya na eye sebe life threatening statement. O say wo, yemfa ne say oni obi enya asem na ebia DBS you say wo de ye behwe de mema ya sebe won che say de mema ya won nye available na de mema ya weni enhu bibi no. I don't know how to put it, but that line say wo bia kan sa asem na kire say wo de wo hwehwe no wo behu de meye bia me make sure say sa de we ni emboso and sa de we you will not be available for that thing. No, it can also be seen as a threat. And there's someone I come back a very serious matter, very, very serious. And I read it to you. You've seen what he said. I say NDC have a bigger task to make sure that Jean Mensa does not stay there. So what are you going to do to her so that she doesn't stay there? Because Mama Wati you will not be able to take her through legal processes because you are not in power. What can you do to remove Jean Mensa? The only people who can remove Jean Mensa are the people in power, but you are not in power. But also, the Amobe making sure say she will not be there. So what are you talking about? We are not the kind of the Oshishe Bia wonu Jean Mensa ni behu. Akamba also insisted that John Dramani Mahama and the National Democratic Congress won the 2020 elections contrary to the ruling by the Supreme Court. Akamba says the NPP lost the election midway through the first term of Akufo-Addo administration. I totally disagree with the ruling by the Supreme Court. Akufo-Addo came back with lies and deceit. So when Ghanaians found out, they ignored him. Akufo-Addo lost the election 2 years into power. I knew the NPP was out of power 2 years after they came. I didn't believe NPP was going to have a second chance, and that happened. Now, as someone NDC national organizer wakano no. Na yenko read comments eba from Ghana for the Wamoka. Obisi Jean Mensa Jezebel is evil and devilish. Asama will be Kanono. If truly that she rigged the election for Nana Addo and NPP, she will surely visit hell with all those who masterminded it. Obiso Asama Wokan. God said we should talk the truth, and you have said it all. God bless you. A woman do not have the heart to do what Jean Mensa did to Mahama and NDC. It takes a man heart to do that. That far of rigging election. This lady will confess to Mahama and NDC before she will be happy in the rest of her life. Not to say, she will surely get it 2024. Hey, Charlie. Why didn't you prove in court? Ask your general secretary to give you figures. And no senior Asama will be can. Jean Mensa is far smarter than entire NDC party. Cage this Akamba beast at once. To be a Asama Wakano no say Akamba na yenchin intum and Asama Wakano. Obi say try it and see. Ghana will burn. Asama will be air cannon. After taking your full glass of akpeteshi and consuming your huge full kilos of banku, you have nothing to say than this stupid foolish comments. What are you waiting for? Start it now. Into Obi so catch Akamba say Akamba the opesa wo ye bia no de ye yenso ye de be hia. Just say easy o. But you see in as much as a lot of people, because me have said it here, say it is clear. E just say will be a one person be can clear. Ye nia e be hu ne say how the Mensa handled the elections, no. I mean, in a way, no, okay, say you're credible, you are right in your own sense or in your own way. But you see, as top executives of political parties, we should be very mindful of the things we say. Because you see, Ebiana enyawo ena bobeyo. Ebiana enyawo. But wakwa kan same way no. Obi ede maame ne hotan ebekwa koye na ade. Yewi ayese ye wo akamba na waka. Yewi ayese ye wo akamba. Sao. She Kennedy Japan. Eya mekan krofo se wo de bibia na wo de Kennedy Japan be, but he is a perfect example. Asema akoka wo TV so me believe say enyo no kum Ahmed Swale, but ende amene wo ka say wo fa nkrofo 10 na obi so omo a 5 be ka tro say Kennedy Japan nim bibi fo wo ne ho, but strongly I believe say Kennedy Japan wo nim hwi fo wo ne ho. But why? Because akoka wo TV so e threaten Ahmed ema later Ahmed be wu ye. For the rest of his life nkrofo be accusing no, nkrofo be pointing accusing finger say una okuno. Nti mesre political figures eya na ebetena radio na TV so a meti ase eto de bia we hiti asem no ehye webufu ba wonnim na okoka nsem bia na montra mo adwo comment box ni mo.